Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to import an image of a floor plan and scale it up to a proper size. So we start with you opening up your project. When we go to insert, there's a few different options, and of course there's an insert image or a PDF. So in the 2020 Revit onwards, you are actually able to insert the PDFs as well. And if these PDFs are vector based, which means they are not just images, they actually contain these lines. You can actually then import these and you'll have the line work pre-made. You can actually select it and snap onto them. Really fantastic. But in this case, most likely you'll have an image. So we'll go to image and we'll select our beautiful little floor plan and you will just plonk it. Now, the size that it comes in is completely random, depends on the actual image itself. This is a very low res floor plan, so the size is fairly small. If you had a big high res image, it would be much larger than this, but it makes no difference because that's why we are doing this now, to scale it up to a proper size. So to do this, we need to select the image in question, and we have some sort of a scale bar, or you'll be looking for a dimension of some sort that you can actually scale it up with. So you select your image and you click on scale, and then you have the graphical or numerical. So the best way is to always select graphical for this particular instance, and we start from 0, and then we select a new scale. So in that case, this, and then you select it and you say what that needs to be. So in this case, this says 10 meters, so we go 10,000, and now that should be 10,000. So if we go dimension and we go from there to there, it gives us 10 meters, which is 9,109. There you go, 10 meters there. Of course, this is a very low res image, so that means when you scale it up, it's not very um, high detail, high res, but it's sufficient to do what we need to do. So for example, if we measure this and we measure the car or any of the driveways, you'll see that it's sort of, this one is a 7.1 meters for the car, which is very long. But again, this was done by hand, as in the image, therefore it could be very wrong. In terms of the doors, let's check the doors out. The doors are approximately 1100. Again, it seems high, but again, we need to make sure that this scale bar is correct. So you will need to scale it up and down until it actually matches. Um, in this particular one, we've done the correct sizing up. It just means that the doors might be larger than normal due to the unique um, house, or it could be that the scale is wrong on the scale bar. We'll never know until we actually try and do it. Um, and then you can start sort of using your walls. You can select the proper or brick, proper wall type, select it up, and you can start modeling up any way you want to. So yeah, that's it. That's your scaling up in an instance. Basically, select your image, scale, graphical, select your 0 point always, select your next point, which needs to be a particular number, so let's say 5 meters. We can select your 5 meters, and once you click, then you can either manually select it like this, or always more precise to actually start typing in the number in question. And there we go. That's all there is to it. Thank you, guys.